If you're trying a keto diet, these cheesy chicken breasts make the perfect quick and easy weeknight dinner. The ranch seasoning is optional, but how could you not? Have you tried this yet? Let us know how it went in the comments below. Yields, 4 servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Total time, 35 minutes. Ingredients: 4 slices thick cut bacon. 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts about 1 3/4 pounds. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 2 teaspoon ranch seasoning. 1½ c shredded mozzarella. Chopped chives, for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a large skillet over medium heat, cook bacon, flipping once, until crispy, about 8 minutes. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate. Drain all but 2 tablespoons of bacon fat from the skillet. 2. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Return skillet to medium-high heat, add chicken and cook until golden and just cooked through, about 6 minutes per side. 3. Reduce heat to medium and sprinkle chicken with ranch seasoning and top with mozzarella. Cover the skillet and cook until cheese is melted and bubbly, about 5 minutes. 4. Crumble and sprinkle bacon and chives on top before serving. Hope you now have a clear idea on what you need to do to kickstart a keto diet dinner recipes for beginners. It is a bit tough but not impossible. Follow the expert's advice, follow the procedure, eat right, and you will do it in no time. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If this helps you, click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more daily health living videos.